Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Business Profile for local SEO step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Business Profile, start by navigating to the Google Business Profile website. Click on the Manage Now button at the top right corner of the home page. Sign in with the Google account associated with your business. If you do not have a Google account, create one by clicking on the Create Account link. Enter your business name in the provided field. Select your business category from the drop-down menu that appears. Fill out the business address, ensuring it is accurate and complete. If you operate a service-based business, you can choose to hide your address by selecting the appropriate option. Provide a phone number and website URL, if applicable. Once all required fields are filled, click Finish to continue. You will now need to verify your business. Choose your preferred verification method, either through mail, phone, or email. If you select mail, Google will send a verification postcard with a unique code to your business address. Wait for the postcard to arrive, which typically takes about 5 to 7 days. Once you receive the postcard, log in to your Google Business Profile account. Enter the verification code found on the postcard in the designated field. If you opted for phone or email verification, follow. After successful verification, your business will be authenticated. Now you can manage your Google Business Profile effectively for better local SEO. Add essential business information such as operating hours, services offered, and photos. Encourage customers to leave reviews to enhance your profile's credibility. Regularly update your information to keep it accurate and engaging. Monitor insights and performance metrics to refine your local SEO strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.